Hey guys, so as you can tell from the title, this video is about eating healthier snack alternatives. I hate when people think that the way to lose weight is by basically not eating, and that is so not true, or that you just can't snack anymore, and that is not true at all. I snack like crazy. Not really. I snack probably 3 times out of the day. But I just wanted to show you guys a few snacks that I like to have that are a little bit cleaner and probably not as guilty as you would probably think. Life is about balance, and if you want something that's not that healthy, do it. I just don't see the point in depriving yourself. You work super hard on your body. You're eating clean 95% of the time. So I say, that extra 5%, have some hot Cheetos, have a donut, have a little bit of cake, and just get right back on your horse the next day. Like, a lot of people who won't agree with that, but I definitely am somebody who likes to listen to their body. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below. I'll see you guys in these clips of food. Okay, so you obviously can put whatever you want in this smoothie. I have this every day. Use your greens, whatever greens you have, and some plain Greek yogurt for some protein. It's pretty easy to measure out, just kind of eyeballing, but if you want to measure it, you can. And of course, some bananas. These are frozen bananas that I keep in my freezer. And I have some brown ones at the bottom for extra sweetness. Then I'm going to be using some blueberries and some mangoes. I really love blueberries and banana smoothies. They're so good. The mangoes just kind of add a different flavor to them, just so that I don't get bored with the smoothie. Then I'm going to add chia seeds, and you can add whatever superfood you want. Sometimes I add maca powder, sometimes I add protein powder instead of the Greek yogurt. I always switch it out. And I'm using almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. Pretty much every ingredient is from H-E-B. As you can tell, I like to shop there. And I believe H-E-B is only in Texas, so if you don't have one, I feel sorry for you. So this one is going to be super duper easy. It's just apples and peanut butter. I'm just using regular peanut butter, and I'm using this super amazing apple contraption that will cut your apples perfectly every single time, and it is a huge time saver, especially in the morning, so you don't have to do too much work. You just slide it on down and pull your apples out. And you can use any nut butter you'd like. I just really love peanut butter. So of course you're going to need a banana and some peanut butter. I'm using PB2, which is a powdered peanut butter. It's less fat. And almonds for my topping. So as I'm unpeeling my banana, I actually broke it, so I'm going to cut the other end just to make it aesthetically pleasing, which, as you are about to see, I completely failed at that mission because I broke my banana again. So I'm just pushing these to the side and having them later separately. And I'm just going to spread my PB2 all over. What I really love about PB2 is it's really great for snacks that you want to spread peanut butter on, or pancakes. And you can kind of control the consistency depending on how much water you add, which is super dope. And I'm topping it off with some almonds. And you can top it off with coconut flakes, chocolate chips, granola, just to throw a few ideas. But that's it, and it's super duper easy and super filling. Sorry it doesn't look super beautiful, but thank you guys for watching, and thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this.